Hello dear, you're welcome to my channel and I'm very pleased to have you here. Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to achieve the front twist as shown in the thumbnail. And I assume you already have a basic bodice. If you don't have, I will link up at the top right on how to draft a basic bodice. So I'll work with mine, all right? And here I'm trying to duplicate the measurement I have here to the other side, the waist, the hip to the other part of this pattern paper, and I'm going to draw a line across it. Now this pattern paper has a waist dart replacement at the side, so I'm going to take it out. We don't need it, but it doesn't have a side allowance. It doesn't have any allowance at all. Okay, so I'm going to mark that 1 inch, the regular waist dart of 1 inch, mark it on the side, and even at the neck. I want to expand the neck width more than it was before. All right, so I just expanded mine. You can choose to leave yours. For the neck depth, I also went down the more. And I'm reconnecting just as you can see. Also the waist, I'm reconnecting and I'm going to cut that off. I don't need it here. I'll cut it off, and also the neck line. All right. So it's without allowance for now. So you decide on the side you want this twist to fall on. Mine is going to be on the right side. Okay, so you make your decisions. Then from the center, I'm going to use my bust span, that is nipple to nipple. Mine is 7 inches divided by 2 is 3.5. So I'm going to use it and I will mark it there. All right. And then from this other side, I'm just going to go down by 3 inches. I'll go up by 3 inches. This side, I'll come down by 6 inches. Depending on how wide you want it to be, it's your choice to make. Going up by 6 inches also. Then I'm going to connect all of them to that bust or that point, sorry, to that bust span point. This is it. Then I will cut it out, like I will separate it just the way I'm showing you. After that, I'm going to label this for easy identification. So this is A, B, C, and D. The two sides C and D, the up and down A and B. All right. Then I just made a diagonal line connecting it to the neck, and I'm going to draw it. This side to just keep an angle. All right. You're going to separate this. Like, sorry, you're going to cut it open. Then the down part too, just keep it on an angle and draw it down. So we are going to cut all this open, but don't separate it entirely, okay? Don't separate it entirely, just as you will see me do. So this is my C and B, this is A and D. The label is very necessary. So this is it. I've placed my C and B together on the fabric. This is the right side of the fabric. Then please note the side. The side is going to have the allowance of 1.5 inches or 2 inches. Just note the side, just as I'm showing you. All right. So note the side, very important. Then I'm going to spread this. You decide also on the amount to spread with. I actually used 6 inches here. Then I'll also spread the upper part too with 6 inches. Don't put both of them together. Make sure there is space in between these two pattern papers, like half an inch space between them. All right, so I will go ahead and tape it down and cut. Remember, this is the side going to have 1.5 inches. This one is the joining part, is going to have half an inch. All right, just as I'm showing you, half an inch. This side, half an inch. But when it comes to the side, it's going to be 1.5 or 2 inches, depending on the allowance you want, on the side allowance you want to use. Okay, I've taped it down and I'm going to cut the down part. I gave 2 inches extra. All right, so just follow what I'm doing. This part, half an inch, I'm already cutting it. Then I'm notching where it is stopped, just for easy identification. Okay, this is the side, giving 1.5 inches to side allowance, 1.5 or 2, like I said, just your choice. This one here, this the other side, 1.5. And I'm also notching the hip Yes, I notched the hip point for easy identification. Just in case of any confusion, I'll know that yes, this is the hip side, all right? And this side, half of an inch. You cut everything out, and all right, I'm just smoothing this part. And that will be all for this part, okay? So I'm taking out the pattern paper, setting it aside. Then this is A and D put together. You're also going to make them face each other. And like I said, spread it out by 6 inches or your choice, okay? And I taped it down and I'm going to cut. This is half an inch, half an inch. Just know your sides. On the side 1.5, on the armhole half an inch, the neckline half an inch, the shoulder line half of an inch. Those joining points are going to be half an inch, but the side is going to be 1.5. All right, this is what I have. So now to create this twist, for the method one, I'm going to teach you two methods. For the method one, this is what I am going to do. A and D, yeah. So I'm going to, sorry, the light got interrupted. Nigerian, yeah. So you're going to hold it this way and you will twist. It's very easy, very simple. No big deal. Just twist it this way and spread it out very well. Then we are going to flip it over, hold these two parts down, hold it down, arrange it properly. Go ahead and just sew with half of an inch. That is all. When you're done with this part, you also hold the other side together, arrange and sew with half of an inch. That's the same way you would do the down part, just as I'm showing you this part too. Dear, that is all. This is a simple dress. You hold this side too and sew. Then method two, let's go ahead and create it. Now this is the down part. I will flip the side, just to where I'm showing you, flip it and I will sew down already with half of an inch. All right, I will sew down with half of an inch, but I will leave an opening of maybe 1 inch there, just as I'm showing you also. So I'm pinning it down, assuming that I've sewn it. Okay, then this is it. I'll get the upper part and try to pass it into that hole that I left behind. You also go ahead and stretch it out. This has formed our tweet. Arrange it properly and you will flip over and sew. That is all. After that, you join it to your back side and we are done. Thank you very much for joining me and see you in my next one. Please go ahead and like, subscribe and share.